Thank you for your excellencies, Mayan Afsan. Now, the leader and the third speaker, you may get 2 extra minutes for rebuttal. I'm going to request the third speaker, who is the leader of the opposition team, Tasnaba Tasnim Shok, to deliver your speech and post the logic for rebuttal. 2 minutes.
Thank you, Honorable Moderator, for giving me a second chance to explain why I am right. So, before starting my speech, I want to make a little thing about their leader's speech. They said that they have thousands of reasons to say that Muslim is bad. And listen, I have more thousand billion of reasons to stop you. And then cyberbullying, you have said that. But you know what? Cyberbullying doesn't make us hurt. But what about the your team just said that we are autistic, isn't it? You said that. But it has more than the cyberbullying thing. Yeah, maybe we're autistic. We can be solved by the doctor. But your dirty minds can be solved anytime. So just fix your dirty minds, then come to the debate topic. So then let's come to the point, mobile phones. So my opponent team, you have to know what is mobile phone, what is it, but you doesn't know. You just always said that like there's thousands of reasons, but it's not the fault of the mobile phone. It's the fault of the person who are using it. If it uses in a bad way, it will be bad, and if it uses in a good way, it will be good also. Isn't it? Yeah, it is. Like many people, we can see that can't do coaching for the medical college and do it because they can't afford anything, affording money, but they just do this online classes in the mobile phone freely. And they just can listen repeatedly the same thing again and again also. And also I would like to mention the Dr. Munia, who is a TikToker. She got spoiled, but not for the mobile phone. Many of us or many of the adults use mobile phone. Why they are not spoiled? Because they didn't use it in a bad way. Munia used it because she's spoiled. And it depends on us that we said are you choosing. And that's my speech. I hope you understood why mobile phone is good and there is nothing to harm about it. Thank you.
Thank you for excellent speech. Thank you. Now I would like to request the leader and the third speaker of the opposition team. You may go get 2 extra minutes for rebuttal. Ryan Afsa, you are requested to rebuttal.
Very thank Honorable Moderator for giving me a second chance. The leader of my opposition party said that it relies on a person's mentality. I don't know how she can say a logicless thing as a debater, but when our first prophet Adam alayhi salam couldn't control his mind and ate a cursed fruit in heaven, then how can we control our mind as a normal human? And if the mentality of Bengalis was too advanced, then mentally unbalanced Tofajal wouldn't have to taste the death. They first beat him, then fed him, and then again beat him. How low their mentality is. So I think in today's debate, mentality is a very logical point. And if we say about the addiction, 4 out of 10 mothers are not aware of the child's smartphone addiction. And even a teenager of Bangladesh spend average of about 3 hours a day using smartphones, which is about 3 times the maximum time recommended by WHO. A study conducted on children on Bangladesh showed that about 86% of preschool children are addicted to smartphones. 29% of them that have severe addiction. On the other hand, only 14% of children use it for study purposes. So I think my honorable opposition understand my speech. Thank you, honorable moderator.
Thank you for your excellent speech.